Right, morning everybody. In the apartments we've been doing in Chester, we've been here since September. It's finally come to an end. They've come in with all the plants. Everything's there now. This is like blue oak storeroom. I painted all this out yesterday. It's like, yeah, we'll keep our stuff in here for now. Anyway, what I'll do, I'm going to go up in the lift and go up to the penthouse. I haven't got the fob, so it'll only take me to the second floor. Anyway, we'll just do it there now, and then I'll speak to you a bit later, okay? Oh, hello. We'll go to the second floor.
Doors closing.
Dead smooth.
Doors opening.
Well, we're on the second floor now. Flat 6. Go in here. Fire pile. This is the bathrooms now. Very nice. Covered where the boiler is. I think that's going to be bedroom or dining room. This is it with the kitchens. Alright. So, the dining area. Sorry about early breathing again. And we plastered this one out, by the way. We've had problems with the others, but we've done the communal areas and flats. This was supposed to be the show flat, but they've decided to put flat 1 in now. That's the other ensuite. Very nice. It's all cleaned out yesterday. The cleaner's in. All the alarm system. Right. Go up to the stairway with the glass in now. Down to the first floor. Pictures. All the lights coming on. This is flat 5. These are a different design, these. The kitchen. The kitchen not too bad in this one. Patio doors. They're supposed to be see where the plywood is, but they're supposed to have got to wait for the glass, so for safety reasons they've had to put plywood in. That's the car park area. That's the views. It's not really good, but there you go. That's parked up there. Side view of the kitchen. Bedroom. Bedroom. Power's not on in this one, but that's the ensuite in these. Don't know if you can see that, it's a little bit dark. Yeah, it's just, we're going up to the penthouse now. This is the, just spin around again now. This is the stairway up to it. I won't go down in the lift now. After I'll just do a walk down to the first floor. It's the flooring they've put in here. Bit of a sink there. Oh, the kitchen hasn't been put in yet, is it, in this one? But the kitchen goes in this area. And the outside. So the decking area been put in now. It's handy there, enjoyed it. If you ever want to join it, he's a shit hot. Up here, that's the penthouse. So handrail and all the glass in. We're just going to finish off cleaning this. It's just got effervescence on the brickwork with the cherry picker there. That's the back end. It's not nice at all, is it? But there you go. Finally got there, I think. But right. Shut the doors. Broke it. I don't like these windows and that. For the price of them, the handles seem awful flimsy. Now, she's got her own fob for this. This is the lift. Got the lift right up into the hallway. And obviously she's got her own, the door locks up as well. Somebody, she living in America, has bought this one. So they've done a video to send her to see how they're getting on. X on my foot there. That's the, this is the living room. So it's really small. I wouldn't even tell you the price, what she's paid for it. Let's just put it, it's towards the 3/4 of a million. And there's the shower, big shower. And I think that's just temporary, I think. It's the toilet in. It's looking quite nice now. Right. Just get this up, I'll take this up. Right. Right. Onward and downward. I've been in them flats. Now the other flats are they're roughly just exactly the same as the ones I've showed you really. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm going to bother going inside on like, but the communal areas where we've plastered out. Since we did flat 6, all communal area and the penthouse. I haven't got the townhouse to go into yet, but we need to lift on this floor. See, the layout's just roughly the same. There's pointless going in these two. Right, down again. Right, we're on the ground floor now. You see me? Hello everybody. Right, there's a flat one. It's the one I like. With Big Hoover. No, that's the boiler room, and that's the environment. Well, obviously it's what controls everything. And got bathroom. See, bedroom. Nice picture. The kitchen's the same as yours, but this is on the ground floor. If I was going to have one, I think it'd be this one. We've had to reskim that wall, by the way, that one there. Because I want to explain to what happened. Anyway, that's about it really. Let's go take you round to the townhouse. Just put my shoes back on. Get a good blow and put my shoes on. And, that's the garage area. Where do I go? Come on, boots. There you go. Right. The bin shed. I think it's a bit high, but there you go. The boys will be hiding up here. You look. No, this is the townhouse. I can hear voices nodding my head. Right, boys, there's only 3 of us left now. Right, this is the townhouse. The same. I'd have this one. So, as I said, plywood for health and safety is glass to go there. That's the view. Nice. And then these stairs kill me. That's a little toilet. You know, been working with these lads since about Septemberish time. Got to know them really well now. Too well to tell you the truth. The bathroom. And obviously this is a temporary kitchen, but it's going to be a bedroom with the ensuite. That's about it really. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Hello. Right, me and Harv had to do a return visit to the apartments we plastered out about 12 months ago in somewhere in Chester. They had like water ingress coming in through under the sill of the patio doors on the penthouse, coming in underneath somewhere with where the patio come outside. So one pair of the lads had been there before and cut out the section. Obviously did what they wanted to do. And me and Harv had to go in, board it, then skim it and tidy up. You see a load of rubbish on there, and you see my comments on it. I'm sorry about the language, but I wasn't very happy. Well, it's a bit of a mick take really, but anyway. We had a little bit of a laugh in the lift. I don't know if you've ever seen these pair of Scottish lads in the lift with voice recognition. It was funny on, I don't know if it was on YouTube or something, it come up on my phone, so we did try to do a little bit of a copy of it. And don't take it the wrong way with using the Welsh. You know, I'm Welsh myself, so between the Welsh and the Scottish, but we had a laugh. Anyway, enjoy the video. It's very short, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, this is one of those voice recognition lifts, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do we do it in a Welsh accent or a Scottish one?
Let's see whatever works.
Oh, look you, 11. That doesn't work.
That's 11 it.
You try Scottish accent then. Oh,
I thought that was Scottish.
Oh. Let's see you, Jimmy. 11.
Suck my willy.
Oh, you're supposed to press the button half, aren't you? Oh.
Making a bit of a noise.
Floor.
Second floor.
Doors opening.
Oh, diolch yn fawr, bwyol net, look you. See, this is what we're up against. We come here to do this. Then whoever's been ahead of us has left that. Tony and Andy. Tony and Andy. Oh. Oh. You fucking pair of dick munches.
Can you just paper over this?
You what?
You got a tidy like fucking paper over it. Okay. Like it fucking grill